Good day, I'm your Jiro. It's oftentimes hard to achieve the best comfort when designing a chair without prototyping. That is usually done by scrap woods, and last adjustment is usually hard. So I designed a prototyping jig that I call the seat angle finder, which adapts to all positions from upright to relaxed. It's easy to use and can be used over and over again. And as you can see, it's made out of pipe clamps, so you can make your own. The plan is available from the description, so if you're interested, go check them out. I've noticed there's a slack between the pipe and the clamping pad. Just a bit though. but it's not a problem. Just apply some pressure when measuring to simulate the position when a person is sitting there. Hope you enjoyed, and if you are, get subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.